Welcome back, folks. We have a cool cocktail. When you think of cocktails, New Orleans is always going to play a large place in where cocktails originated from, and there's a huge cocktail vibe down there, and a lot of great ones were made down there. This one was made in the 30s back in New Orleans, called a Vieux Carre, which means old square. So say it however you want. It's got a lot of cocktails in it, or a lot of spirits in it, so we're going to break that down. We have sweet red vermouth. We got a rye whiskey, and if you think of New Orleans, you think of Sazarac Rye and the Sazerac cocktail. We've got a Cognac with that French influence from New Orleans. You have Benedictine, which is it's a sweet, heavy liqueur from France. You're not going to use a whole lot of it. Small bottles of that might be a great idea. You have regular Angostura bitters. And New Orleans, you got Peychaud bitters. So, in our mixing glass, we're going to start with 3/4 ounce of Sazerac Rye or a rye whiskey. Play with it, find the one you like. 3/4 ounce of sweet red vermouth. About there. 3/4 ounce of a Cognac or a brandy. Find something like that. Okay. Benedictine is also 3/4 ounce. This is one you could play with a little bit. It's pretty sweet, so if you like them a little on the drier side, drop back a little bit. A little sweeter, add a little more. Angostura bitters, 2 good dashes. Peychaud's bitters, 2 good dashes. 3, why not? And then mix it around. So there's a proper way to stir in a mixing glass with a bar spoon. And basically you want to keep the back of the spoon next to the outside of the glass. Does it make a difference? Sure, huge difference, huge. Your cocktails will taste so much better knowing that the bar spoon is kept towards the back. But the ice is really what we're here for. It dilutes it down a little bit, makes it cold. That's what we're looking for. Now in this one, we have it's a whiskey brand. This is the old fashioned. I'm not sponsored by these guys, I swear. I just like their products. And we got a big ice cube. This one's made by a company called Tovolo. If I can find it, I'll put a link below. They make good ice cubes. Whatever, it's an ice cube. Back with our Hawthorne strainer to strain out the ice. There we go. Our garnish is going to be an orange peel. And you want to just twist a little bit to get the oils from the outside of the skin into the cocktail. And you're just going to drop it on the top like that. And with that, the Vieux Carre. It has a bunch of ingredients, but don't be afraid of it. This one's pretty easy and it tastes really good. It's worthwhile. Cheers, folks. Stay safe. Enjoy. I'm not a fan of garnishes most of the time. The orange peel in this one absolutely is a necessity to keep that orange flavor in there. Make sure you add the garnish. Cheers.